Hi everyone, Charlie Freak here from Freak Sense TV, and today we have an absolute brilliant podcast for you. It's short and so important. This is decoding this incredible song by this incredible band, Toto, and their song 21st Century Blues from their 13th album called The 14th. And why would they call their 13th album the 14th? Because 1 + 4 = 5. 5 is the crucifixion, and this is the killing of our left brain so that we can enter into the kingdom of heaven, which is within us, within the right hemisphere of the brain. Everything that Collywog and I have been sharing with you and teaching you is all encoded on this particular album and through this incredible song as well. But all the songs on the album are talking about this theme, which is what we need right now, and which is what's happening right now. The great crucifixion through Q, through Trump, who are both real. Collywog and I would never, ever tell you anything unless we were 100% sure on this. We don't guess and give you our opinions. We share with you the holistic truth. And we know this because we have researched this, and then a whole host of people and knowledge have come to us and shared information that will be made public to everyone very shortly, and is just fantastic and is brilliant. So Bob Dylan coming out, we just did Bob Dylan's song about the truth about the Kennedy assassination. Why would he do that right now? Why Toto coming out with this song 21st Century Blues right now? Because they know what's going on. They're all connected to this movement, this goodly, godly movement. And that's what the band Toto is. Toto coming through, basically all of these great bands coming through, Steely Dan, Donald Fagen and Walter Becker, who were the masters of teaching true Christianity, Gnostic Christianity, this truth of what Christ really is and the kingdom of God being within you. It all comes through these goodly, godly, righteous artists. And Toto came through Steely Dan and created their own band, and that's what they've been doing for you ever since. Their songs are brilliant, and they're teaching you this higher, highest possible truth. So today we're listening to the song 21st Century Blues. And it is, of course, you may have heard of it already, it is decoding powerfully that the earth is flat, still, and stationary. But bigger than that, they're telling you that everything, not some things, but everything is a lie. Now, this is a band that sold 50 million records. And because of the way the music industry is now and how they control radio, they can't get their songs played on the radio. So the only way for these older bands to make money is to tour. Can't make a new album, costs too much money, and no one will buy it because no one will promote it and it doesn't get played on the radio. It's sick. This is all sick and it's going to crash. But they have to tour. So they're risking a ton by doing this, because all sorts of problems can happen to bands that want to tell the truth if they try to go out and tour with all of these unions that are just controlled by the cabal. So these artists like Bob Dylan and Toto are coming out right now with these powerful songs of truth because they know that Q is real. They know that the 45th president of the United States, 4 + 5 = 9, God consciousness, is a goodly, godly, righteous man in Trump, and that this is real and that this is happening. And again, Collywog and I don't guess. We give you the holistic truth and only the holistic truth. And we would only give you information that we absolutely know to be true. So listen to this song. Let this song fill you up with light, with hope, with strength, and know that the way in which this whole world is going to change, and the way that you change you first and then everyone in your life, is through going to the right, which is becoming virtuous. And every moment we no longer make any choices that are sinful. We no longer worry about money. It will flow to us somehow, some way. We're going to make only the choices that benefit all of humanity, all sentient life. We do not commit murder against anyone. We are here to live, to love freely with everyone through the vibration of peace and love, which is the right hemisphere of the brain, which is God's realm. which is the kingdom of God within us, by going within via meditation. That's what this song is about. This is what it's telling you, these highest truth. Connect to this. Listen again, and just know that the answer to everything, my dear friends, is going to the right. Cast thy net to the right, which is a virtuous lifestyle. Through virtue, you will become one with God. And you can figure all the rest of it out yourself. You don't need me or anybody else to tell you after that. So, with great love from Collywog and I, and we're going to be seeing you very, very soon with a mountain more of stuff. We've already put out a ton of powerful podcasts for you just recently, and we have a ton more coming. A brilliant, brilliant, brilliant stuff. So enjoy this song for today. Big love to Steve Lukather, David Page, Jeff Porcaro, all the Porcaro brothers, all the band members of Toto through the years. These great Gnostic Christians that are teaching the highest truth. And enjoy this song, and we'll see you back soon. Love you guys. Keep up that strength, keep up that power, that wisdom by staying virtuous, and know that all of this is happening. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.
What you heard got the 21st century blues.